Many business owners try to handle their own IT. But here's the thing. Do-it-yourself IT strategies often lead to more stress and less productivity. That's where outsourced IT comes into play. Outsourcing your IT means a tailor-made strategy for your business. No more one-size-fits-all solution. Imagine having a whole team of experts ready to solve your problems quickly and with minimal disruption. And the best part? They've always got your back, spotting potential issues and fixing them before they disrupt your day. Meaning you can focus on what you do best, running your business. If you're ready to explore outsourced IT for your business,